This car is GLE 450. How to activate rear brake pad mode? So you can see another workshop menu. So first of all, switch on the ignition and then release the parking brake. Then switch on the ignition, the radio position. Don't switch on full. Okay. Then press this button together. You can see in the video, and then press this back button. Then you can see here workshop menu. Scroll down, brake pad replacement. Press OK. Now just you have to wait. This one taking time. Sometime it saves the old car. I can see red light blinky, yellow is active, means brake pad mode activated.